Hello, this is Mike Lee from Heavy Ice System. Today is March 7th, 2019. I'm making the video to show our small capacity flake ice machines. The small capacity machine is from 300 kilogram per day to 2 ton per day. So all the small capacity flake ice machines we make is here. Right here, you can see it. This is the smallest one. It's a 300 kilogram per day capacity. It can make 300 kilograms of ice flakes within every 24 hours. This is a half ton per day, 500 kilograms every 24 hours. And this is a 1 ton per day. Over here is a 1.5 ton per day, 2 ton per day. Basically, all the small capacity machines are equipped with the air cooling condenser, compact design. The 1 ton per day and half ton per day is equipped with the Danfoss screw compressor. This one, the green one. They are all air cooled like this. The 1 ton per day is just a little bigger than the half ton per day. Also, the 1.5 ton per day and 2 ton per day are also similar to each other. Just the bigger condenser. The compressors are the same. Brand, Copeland. This is the compressor. And this is the compressor for the 2 ton per day. Copeland, black color. This is one of our standard 2 ton per day flake ice machines. It can make 2 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours from fresh water. This machine is equipped with the Copeland screw compressor, Eaton air-cooled condenser. It was the Eaton Refrigeration Jiangsu company. It's a very good quality condenser. Copeland screw compressor, R44 refrigerant. Okay, now let's check the quality of the ice flakes out of this machine. The ice is very thick and dry. It's very dry. The water is well frozen. Perfect ice with very good cooling performance.